So 501.4, that's a test where we're actually moving the entire elevation to a certain percentage and then putting it back to its normal position and then retesting it for air and water. So it really does an analysis of what the frame performed prior to the seismic event and then retesting it for air and water based on those protocols. The 501.6 is a measurement of that framing system where it's moving back and forth to ultimately determine at what point does the glass fail or fall out of the opening. And so two totally different types of testing protocols, but protocols that architects will look at in determining which framing system and which specification they may need for their project. Now there's a lot of project-specific requirements that may go outside of those parameters where we'll then work with engineering analysis and possibly do project-specific testing as another way of evaluating our framing system for that project. And we have a section on our website dedicated to just seismic framing systems, and it's a white paper that we've created that highlights the protocols for what that test is and then aligns it to framing systems that meet those protocols. So it makes it very easy for the architect to understand which system will meet that particular requirement.